Yield Estimator tool is a great resource to help you know what to expect when you take the crops off your field. To use the Yield Estimator, select the thermal image where your crop is showing the greatest amount of stress. This is usually mid to late summer. Click the Yield Estimator tab in the upper right corner of the window. The software will show the image only within the field boundary and will apply the entire color palette accordingly. The software will display 3 pins on the image, indicating the hottest, coolest, and median temperature points on the field. These points are where the software asks you to do a yield check. You can override the pin locations by clicking on the corresponding pin to enlarge it, and then clicking on the map location where you want it to go. You also have the option to change the blending ratio from 0 to 10. The lower the number, the more sensitive and refined the zones become. Conversely, the larger the number, the less sensitive and refined the zones become. Here's how the Yield Estimator works. Suppose that when you have collected your field estimates, the coolest temperature point in your field estimated 225 bushels per acre. Also, your median temperature point estimated 180 bushels per acre, and your hottest point estimated 75 bushels per acre. When you click the green Calculate button, the software will tell you that your average yield will be 135.95 bushels per acre with a total yield of 2,010.69 bushels from this field. Click on the Save as Custom Image tab in the upper right-hand corner of the window. Click OK in the confirmation pop-up, and then click Done. Click Done once more, and the custom image will appear in the same row as the thermal image you started with.